Hi there, Stacy here, your natural living consultant. I use Young Living oils, but I'm all about living a natural lifestyle as much as possible. And today I am making room sprays for some people that participated in a sale I did, as well as some of my team members. So I just want to thank them for everything that they've done this year. They hustle hard. So I ordered these blue cobalt bottles online, and you can also get amber, but don't get clear because you don't want the properties of the chemicals of the essential oils to break down. It comes with a sprayer, and a lot of times they will come with a funnel as well when you buy in bulk to help get everything into the bottle. What I like to do is pick an oil, and this is Christmas Spirit. Another great option is lavender or peppermint, and you're only going to need about 5 drops of the oil. So super cheap gift in my opinion, but goes a long way for you can pair it with other things such as a nice tea towel or some nice lotion to give to as like a housewarming gift. I like to put a pinch of salt in the bottom of mine, and it just helps the oils mix around. And I'm using a half bottle full with witch hazel, and then the other half with water. In between, I put the oils just to help get it mixed around, and that's really it. So, some great tips on how to give a quick, simple gift to someone, and let them enjoy the beautiful properties that essential oils provide us. Again, you can use different oils. This time I'm using Christmas Spirit. I like to do things in batches. It makes it easier for myself. But I would love to hear your ideas on what you would put in a room spray for yourself or others. Have a great one.